Have you ever found yourself wondering, can I link my credit card to PocketGuard? It's a great question, and one that many people ask. After all, having your credit card connected to a budgeting app like PocketGuard can streamline your financial life, providing real-time insights into your spending habits. PocketGuard is a popular budgeting app that helps users track their expenses, set financial goals, and save money. One of the key features of PocketGuard is its ability to automatically categorize transactions. This feature is particularly useful when it comes to credit card transactions. By linking your credit card to PocketGuard, you can automate the process of categorizing your expenses, saving you time and effort. Can you link a credit card to PocketGuard? Yes, you can link your credit card to PocketGuard. To link your credit card to PocketGuard, you will typically need to provide the following information. Cardholder name, this should match the name on your credit card statement. Card number, the 16-digit number on the front of your card. Expiration date, the month and year your card expires. CVV code, the 3-digit security code on the back of your card. Once you've provided this information, PocketGuard will securely connect to your credit card issuer to retrieve your transaction history. This process may take a few minutes or even a few hours, depending on your bank or credit card issuer. Benefits of linking your credit card to PocketGuard. Automated expense tracking. PocketGuard will automatically categorize your transactions, saving you time and effort. Real-time insights. You can track your spending in real time, helping you make informed financial decisions. Personalized financial advice. PocketGuard can provide personalized financial advice based on your spending habits. Easy goal setting. You can set financial goals and track your progress over time. Potential drawbacks and considerations. While linking your credit card to PocketGuard offers many benefits, it's important to consider the potential drawbacks. Security risks. Sharing your credit card information with a third-party app, even a reputable one like PocketGuard, always carries some risk. Data privacy. It's important to ensure that PocketGuard has strong security measures in place to protect your personal and financial information. Potential for errors. While PocketGuard is generally accurate in categorizing transactions, there may be instances where it miscategorizes a transaction. Linking your credit card to PocketGuard can be a valuable tool for managing your finances. However, it's important to weigh the benefits and drawbacks carefully before making a decision. If you're comfortable with the potential risks and you're looking for a way to streamline your financial life, linking your credit card to PocketGuard may be a good option for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.